Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Nearby Share on Android phone. So let's get started. For example, I'm going to send a photo with Nearby Share. So I'm just going to click on my gallery, then I'm going to select a photo from my gallery. And for instance, I'm going to select this one. And if you want to send this photo with Nearby Share, we can click on Share button right here. Then we have to click on Nearby Share. It's over here. Then we just need to follow the steps. Alright, and we have to turn on our location. Then just click on Continue right here. Then click on OK, since we want to turn on the location. Alright, and now my device is looking for nearby devices, and you have to make sure that the receiver has turned on the Nearby Share feature on the phone. And right after the receiver turned on the Nearby Share, the receiver's device will appear right here, and you can start send your file with Nearby Share. Okay guys, and that's how we can use Nearby Share on Android phone. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.